Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a powerful outdoor cooking machine. The 4-burner stainless steel propane gas grill with a side burner. Whether you're planning a backyard barbecue, hosting friends, or just grilling a quick dinner, this is the one that promises high performance, durability, and convenience. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. All right, right out of the box, everything is nicely packed and organized. You've got the main grill body, the 4 burners, a cast iron grate, a side burner cover, control knobs, all the necessary hardware, and of course, the user manual with step-by-step assembly instructions. Assembly took me approximately 2 hours. Nothing too complicated. The instructions were clear and the parts were labeled. Once it's fully assembled, the stainless steel design really stands out. It's sleek, solid, and definitely gives that premium outdoor kitchen vibe. This thing is built to last. It's made from heavy-duty stainless steel that's heat and corrosive resistant. It can easily handle outdoor environments without rusting or warping over time. The grates are made from cast iron, which means they hold up to heat extremely well. Perfect for getting those beautiful grill marks on your burgers, steaks, or even hot dogs. There's also a multifunctional baking tray that's great for stir fries, seafood, and even toasting buns. On the side, you get a covered 10,000 BTU side burner. That's great for frying up veggies, boiling corn, or heating sauces while you grill. This grill is all about heat performance. You've got 4 independently controlled stainless steel burners, each pumping out 8,000 BTUs. That's 32,000 BTUs total, not including the side burner, which adds another 10,000. That brings the total to a whopping 42,000 BTUs. The heat spreads out evenly across the cooking surface, so you wouldn't find those cold or hot spots you get with the cheaper grills. It heats up fast and stays consistent. With the push button ignition, just turn the knob, press the button, and you're ready to go. There's also a removable grease tray underneath, which makes cleanup quick and painless. You get built-in hooks for your tools and spacious storage underneath for your propane tank and grilling gear. Let's take a look outside and fire it up. I've got some hot dogs ready to go, and on the side burner, I'm throwing on a frying pan with some chopped veggies and onions. You can see how fast it heats up, and the hot dogs are getting those nice grill marks thanks to the cast iron grate. Over on the side burner, I've got a nice sizzle going on with the veggies. The 10,000 BTUs on that side burner give you plenty of heat for a proper saute. This setup is super convenient for multitasking. Grill your main dish while your sides cook right next to you. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and easy to use propane grill for your backyard, this 4-burner stainless steel model is a solid choice. It's got great heat output, even cooking, thoughtful features like tool hooks and bottom storage, and it just looks great. Check out the link in the description if you want to learn more and grab one for your next cookout. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next barbecue.